Respected audience, this is Sher Afzal, the founder, the chairman of Global CEO Club Private Limited, a registered entity here in Pakistan. The headquarters of Global CEO Club is in Washington DC. I started this journey around 8 years ago. Now Global CEO Club is present in every country of the world. Today we are here at Lahore Expo Center. Electricity Expo is being organized here. The organizer is FACT and Mr. Hassan Jafri, Manager Sales and Marketing from Power Vision Systems Private Limited is with us. I request Mr. Hassan, please share with us about this company, about this mega portfolio, please.
Thank you very much, sir. Sher Afzal Saab. First of all, thank you very much. I would like to introduce my company. We are the only manufacturer in Pakistan who is preparing ATS engine, which is going to export in Europe, Middle East and Africa. Mostly it's used in agriculture and generators. Secondly, we are the sole distributor of Lister Peter, in which we offered fully coupled in China, Tide Power, and local coupled with ISO certification with international standards. Here in our company with complete ISO certification standards. The basic, I would like to say, this is company is offering 3 years manufacturing warranty, and it is environment friendly generator. Here in Pakistan there are many issues of environment. This is actually EPA approved generator, and manufacturer is offering 3 years warranty and unlimited hours, which is and the main thing here is by default is fuel injected, which reduce the I mean to say fuel efficient as compared to other engines. It's 1867's brand, and we are the sole distributor in Pakistan. That's it.
Wonderful. Mr. Hassan, you people are doing an excellent job, and I pray for your success, for your growth across the globe. Global CEO Club is uniting the whole world business community at one place. I invite you as well as other business community through you join hands with Global CEO Club for having recognitions across the globe. Global CEO Club would be able to generate business for you people, as you are already exporting to Africa and European markets. Global CEO Club can give you access to more businesses. So once again, I invite you people to join hands with Global CEO Club so that your businesses can be grown, can be flourished all over the world. So thank you so much,
Thank you so much,
Mr. Hassan. Have a nice time.
Pleased to meet you, sir. Thank you so much.